Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making chili. So y'all, why wait? Let's get started. So my lovelies, the ingredients are 1 pound and a half ground beef, 1 cup organic beef broth, 1 14 and a half ounce canned diced tomatoes, 1 15-ounce canned red kidney beans, 1 cup tomato paste, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 tablespoon chili powder mix, 2 teaspoons salt, garlic, 2 teaspoons black pepper, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 cup red bell pepper chopped, 1 cup green bell peppers chopped, and 1 onion. So now guys, let's get over to the stove. In a frying pan, add ground beef, and season with 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Allow the meat to brown for 5 minutes on mid-heat. Now you can drain off the fat and set aside for later. In another pan, add olive oil, onion, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, and garlic. Saute for 5 minutes. Isn't it beautiful guys? All its colors, great flavor. This will bring out great flavor. Now you can add your ground beef, tomato paste, and beef broth. Mix well. Dice tomatoes, now add chili powder mix, smoked paprika, the remaining salt and black pepper. Mix well. Lastly, add beans, mix, now cover and allow the chili to cook and low heat. Beautiful, guys. Continue to cook and low heat, stirring occasionally. This is gorgeous, guys. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, guys. Cover and continue cooking. Beautiful. So here, my lovelies, is now 2 hours and the chili is ready. Remove from heat and enjoy. And you can garnish with shredded cheese, onion or sour cream. Enjoy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.